Fire is more than warmth. It's hope. It's safety. It's life. When the sun goes down and the cold creeps in, fire becomes the difference between surviving the night and not. Fire cooks your food, boils your water, dries your clothes, keeps predators at bay. It can signal for rescue or be your only friend in the darkness. Lose fire and you lose control. To make fire, you need 3 things: fuel, heat, and oxygen. Take one away and no flame. Understand this triangle and you can build a fire anywhere. Got a lighter? Great. Don't? Then you better know these: ferro rod and steel, a rainproof, spark-throwing fire machines. Battery and steel wool. Short-circuit it and you've got instant flame. Bow drill. Primitive, slow, but it works when you master it. Even ice, shaped into a lens, can focus sunlight to light tinder, if you're desperate and precise. Cotton balls with petroleum jelly. Dry bark, fat wood. Start small, feathered sticks, dry grass, char cloth, then feed it twigs, branches, logs. Never smother it. Let it breathe. In survival, fire is a turning point. Without it, you're prey. With it, you're a survivor. Learn it. Master it. Because when everything goes dark, fire is light. Master this ability, and you'll master yet another ability that will let you stand alone when the time comes.